Good morning, scholars. Miss Peachervody here. Got my coffee, ready to do some algebra. For your Wednesday fluency for ELT, you're doing exactly what you did yesterday. You are solving, you're converting standard to slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So when I look at number 1, the y isn't by itself like it is in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. So I'm left with negative 7y equals negative 10x minus 8. And then I still have a negative 7. So I divide on each side by negative 7. And I'm left with y equals negative 10 divided by negative 7. That's going to be a decimal or a mixed number. So we could just leave it as 10 over 7x. I'm making it positive because it's a negative divided by a negative. And then same thing for negative 8 divided by 7. That's going to become a positive 8 sevenths. Number 2, it's a little bit simpler. I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. Once I do that, I'm left with y equals negative 8x plus 9. And the 9 is positive because there's no negative sign in front of it. And that's that. So guys, try your best on the rest of these. That was just a little intro. And teacher, you can pause the video or do as you wish. And then when the class is ready, we're going to look at solving systems of equation. So systems of equation means we're giving 2 equations or 3 equations, and we're being asked to find the relationship between them. So to solve each system by graphing, I need to graph each equation. And find their point of intersection, or where they cross. So I have to check, are both of these in slope-intercept form? Yes. So for this first one, I'm going to start at 4. Positive 4 is my y-intercept. Negative 3 is my slope. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. And this is my first line. Okay, and then I graph the second line. Y equals 3x minus 2. My y-intercept for this line is negative 2, and the slope is positive 3. So I go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. And look, I already have found, oh my gosh, that line is so bad. It should connect. I've already found where they cross. They cross at 1, 1. So all I need to write to solve the system by graphing is the point where they intersect. So once again, I graphed each equation, making sure I had slope-intercept form. I found the point of intersection, and I wrote it down. Number 2 is a little bit more fun, because number 2, I have an x equals negative 3. So remember this acronym right here. Horizontal line is a 0 slope, and that's y equaling something. Vertical line is undefined, x equaling something. So I have x equaling negative 3, which is here, and it's going to be a vertical line, and that's an undefined slope. This obviously shouldn't be here. Sorry, guys. And then I look at this one. This has a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of positive 2.